pack. Sperm. Build up sperm too. Alright. Yo, so we're in Brownstown, Jamaica, and we're just doing a thing. Alright, let me just, boom. Yeah, the start of the show.
Yeah, so guys, we're in Brownstown now. Just a walk through the town. Just a look. I've been in Brownstown before, but we never really walked through and kind of get a sense of what the town is like. But so far, they tell you it's very fabulous. It's almost like every single town you go into in Jamaica, it is so similar. Like you have this square, fair traffic, you have a gas station, you have a igla, you have a food place. So I want to check out their market to see what the market is like. And then you don't know, we're going to go up in the bush, go look for some herbs, do some pickup and just maybe a little herb walk, who knows. But we're safe now. Come on.
Alexandra came by it.
Nah.
Alright?
We're okay, my friend.
I see are nice. I wonder what they have over there.
Natural juice. What we talking?
Cane juice, carrot juice, magnum, peanut butter, Irish man, sour sap, carrot with milk, cucumber and pine. Strictly natural.
They look
No
nice.
preservative, no chemical. Walk on.
Them look nice. But
No chemical?
Eh?
No chemical?
No chemical from China. Preservative, none. Natural from in the market. Juice, natural juice. No artificial flavor.
I think we'll come.
much you sell it for?
$300. And no coloring.
May I give you the Christopher?
And you see them are in a sauce? Them are in a sauce, no sugar in it.
Okay.
Why they may not have the sugar?
It's a June plum and pineapple. And it's a Irish mash.
That I see much? I see
Sea
much.
mash, yeah. No sweet and sweet.
Why so much people? What the sea moss go for? Why so much people drink up the sea moss?
This is our best selling one.
Yeah,
The sea mash.
but what it good for? What it good for?
And nerves, it's good for your nerve because it's natural from the sea. It's having a lot of potential energy and it clean and clean it up and build up at the same time.
Okay.
You understand me?
Yeah.
Pure natural, right out of sea.
I'm seeing it's popular. I'm seeing that it's popular here.
Yeah.
Big.
Yeah.
Alright, so I don't know how it goes. We're having that in support. So let me see. One have milk. What don't have milk?
This is not a milk. This is a cane juice.
Why you spoil up the sour sap juice with the milk? But we use milk and milk.
No, it's not too expensive. We can't afford naturally. That's pineapple with cucumber. Pine with cucumber. This is carrot juice. Alaska music.
No, we don't want that.
But a powder.
That's not healthy. That's not healthy. So this is what is?
This is Irish mash with lime.
With lime?
Yeah. Natural. Nerves.
May I go check for one?
Straighten your nerves. I'm going to tell you, you're going to love that one. You don't love this. Trust me. I'm the best lad. And I only want me.
Alright, so I'm going to try that one. This is the pineapple and the cucumber.
Yeah.
So, pick up thyself. We can keep it going.
Alright. Pick up yourself and better.
One love.
One love.
I wonder what nice and spicy stuff.
Make it a momentum.
Nice and spicy cake, patties and cake.
Shop 80% off bread and small appliances and up to 25% off houseware. Accessories and rugs. Shop from mom today and pay later. Plus, enjoy a free item with the purchase of select phones and computers. Let's celebrate mom.
Planning to stop.
Somebody them clean up.
Yeah, he got over there doing the cleanup over there, he said.
They might cut it garden. a cave valley out here, sir?
There's cave valleys everywhere.
And there's a cave valley in Hanover. It's cave valley and Cane Valley, 2 different places.
Oh.
Yeah.
You sure they're not cave valley?
Hold on. But just did see. I think it's Cave Valley. Cave Valley. But in Hanover, Cane Valley.
No, I know it's cave.
A cave, see me?
Yeah.
You're joking.
Yeah, wait.
I wonder if we can. We never lucky to get the little vegetable soup over juice. Yeah.
I know, right? You want to try check it?
Yeah.
Want to try check it?
When may I come?
Now, supposed to be yellow right this body glass. Mari, come over there, you left me.
Alexander. Charlton, walk it. Alexandra.
Like, you know where the market is?
Right there, sir. You can enter from right over there. Yeah, that gate right there.
Tell me I walk like me know.
You're doing good?
Raga.
You're doing good too. Yo, you see that big old sidewalk? Jeez, this thing's a cliff. Let's go on inside.
Them plumber look small.
Yeah, bite size.
You see one big amount of watermelon down there.
So what does this say?
Eh?
Where are we at?
Another market.
Okay, Brownstown Market.
Yeah, we in a Brownstown Market. If you don't look at see a market, with there, God go with you.
Yeah.
This is the market. I wonder how much pounds for the watermelon.
Us.
Are you said that, sir? How much are you selling watermelon? 150 a pound.
What do we need? We need onion, tomato?
We need, how much is tomato? We need onion and we need
Go and get some.
eh?
They're using coal. Yeah, right there. That's what I want to do, is start using our coal to cook up the
Give me
food.
one bag of tomato.
Okay.
You want water?
Yeah. Right.
my favorite vegetables to eat, you know. Me just cut this up and eat it. That's when me ready to eat tomato. And good, I have good hand. I have good hand. I know how to judge one point. I have good hand. Yeah? And good hand. Never miss. How much pepper? How much pepper? 400 a pound. 400.
Walk around. You might see it.
I'm a PR. You have change? Planted stuff. How much are you? You know, to be honest, and enough of the things that we have buy, look at that back. I just want to stand we don't want just a look at yes. I put my tomato in a bag. So my hand them can.
Not bad, not bad.
Yeah.
Rasta, how are you? Oh, that's my friend. Oh my God. I didn't see it was you.
It's alright, ready to peer at.
How's everything?
I'm alright. Everything's good, everything's blessed, you know. Yeah.
Oh, you're probably
No peer today. Peer, no peer today.
It's not season.
Not season yet, yeah. Okay. You're gonna see me. Definitely see me.
Oh my God. I'm a bit, you know, I'm not cook with the onion. At first, I'm just start. I'm never really love it. So I'm going to mix Yes. I never so accurate this time, but close enough. Yo, man, tell you something. Market just unpredictable. This week I go there, things cost this, and next week I go. No. Yeah, I don't know. How much do you have? If they grab this bag, they must that's fine. So maybe you get a box at the bag. Yeah.
Alright, looking more, yeah? Oh, you going that way? You go that way if you want to check out that way. If you want to check it out, you can check it out. That's the exit over there.
I exit?
Yeah. That's mango. Not today, my brother. Not today, my brother. Not today.
Yes, have a wonderful day, sir.
Yes, sir. Oh, two.
Okay. Are you selling Aki? What's that? Bombo, 500 a dozen.
Let's make it more. Wait till next season. Let's wait till more. How much for that bag? Same thing? How much for that bag? Same thing? Fit that bag right there, sir. Come back.
So, I go to the market even though I never really want nothing, but I actually did about 2 pounds of tomatoes left in the fridge. I mean, I love low pound tomatoes, so I get some tomatoes, I get some onion. I never really need it because we buy how much, about 10 pounds of rent and one big bunch of banana and different stuff in our community. But you know, we walk through the market, so why not buy something? Yeah? $200, darling. Come over here. It's a rasta.
Yeah, bye.
Empress. You don't want to okra, mama. How much for your okra? Alright, more take it. Carry okra.
And that has seen you before me. Take it back.
How much you want? $200 moment, nothing there, yeah?
But them say the okra good for though. But them say the okra good for.
Your back.
Yeah.
And what say? Yeah,
and I didn't get
your back. Like, good for your back. Sperm.
Build up sperm too.
Sperm.
Alright.
You hear it said?
Yeah.
Be good for your joints too.
Be good for your joint health?
Yes.
Oh. Okay. So if you have arthritis and them sitting there.
My name is good for that.
See.
Alright, big up yourself.
We buy one.
One thing we can tell is once you look like you have money for spending, carry good skunk here.
Action.
So guys, you see when you think nurture being, just think of like a one-stop herbal shop, you know? Where you can go, you can get your herbs, the skincare herbs, you can get your herbs for your internal care. We have things for the blood, for the heart, for the lungs, for the stomach. We have for if you have spotty skin, the skin and dehydrated. You see, women, your vagina itch, we have something for you. You have tenderness, when you are overlaid, we have something for you. Hormonal imbalance, we have something for you. Men with the limp dick, we have something for you. Your face bumpy, and you need something to clean up the blood, we have something for you. You know? Your kidney or your liver non-function, we have something for you. Your skin dry and scaly, we have something for you. You don't know what to eat, you're not sure how to eat or what to eat, we have something for you. Same it. So every single thing you can think about, we have something for you. So when you're thinking about complete nutrition in terms of medicinal plants and stuff, just think nurture being. Trust me. Nurture being? Yeah. Our one-stop herb shop. Yeah, tell you they just want to see you look like you're willing to buy. They must say, what you say? I carry more things to go here, but I'm glad to get this. So I do some okra stew with this, and you know vegetables, they can't run out of vegetables.
Right.
And to all we eat vegetables, we go on bad, we go on to bad, we go on real bad, so we have to enjoy them and save them.
Right.
Oh, yeah, well, listen me there. I can't. One thing with me, I like one time I have too much things in that thing.
Might need to get a bag.
Eh?
Might need a bag.
See, bag right there, so we soon go back and carry. Come.
Yeah, so open up the juice.
Oh, I did start up eating and then I lock it back.
How it is?
Ooh, it tastes good. It tastes good, I not lie. Try it. switch it. Use the touchscreen.
Alright, she said it tastes good. I'm about to see right now. If this tastes good, then you already know where to find them. Yup, that's banging right there.
You like it?
That's banging.
Yeah, man. Yes.
Alright, let's go to the NCB bank real quick.
What we are going to do?
Deposit.
Oh, it's okay. I like the market. The market to me, the price is not the best, but it's full of people. It have goods. And I like when I there, Lucy Market. If you go certain days in a Lucy Market, you not even see the market, the backside. Everything gone, not even the market. Yeah, you have to go there for specific days between specific hours to see market. But once you get into how them town work, then you don't have a problem anymore. Cause me did have a problem, but after I get familiar, I realize I go Friday and Saturday if you want market. Every other day empty, market disappear.
Yo, so we about to make a quick ATM run real quick. Okay, right now we need to put some cash on the card, on the Jamaican card that is here. So yeah, we about to just go ahead and just withdraw some funds real quick. You feel me? Gotta always have the money on you. Wow. It's a. Gotta always have the koala on you. You already know how the thing go, man. This is really, the focus is real sensitive, so I'm gonna have to cut y'all off for this one. Y'all see me soon. Alright, y'all, we got the money, and now we about to go check out this wholesale supermarket real quick. Because, yeah, T says she's trying to get some stuff. But you said it?
I need some seasoning. And I like, I'm still paying up from the work.
ISIS.
Hey, you can't point me to where the seasonings are?
Which one?
Like all purpose the Maggi. Oh, okay. Right as I come around.
Right, that's it.
Oh gosh, what the? But no one to come tell me what to cook with, you know. But no one to come tell me what to cook with. Me I look for the all-purpose.
I think this one will then go with the roast.
Oh, with the roast fish done.
Excuse, please.
All-purpose in there. We have to go somewhere else. Then I have one type of seasoning. They have a jerk seasoning and chicken. These are all purpose. Oh, they have it, but I in all size there. What we get this? Why not? You still want the jerk?
Up to you.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. But I see not like my type of seasoning them, like the onion powder, the rosemary and so.
Oh, a different spot.
Still take this?
Yeah, it's a different spot. Get everything.
I don't even know when none of the so-called good supermarket.
That's true. There's the next one down there we could check. Yeah?
Yeah?
There's the next one down there we could check. So the lady over there, isn't that the girl we see on TikTok?
Really?
Yeah.
Wanna try yourself? Wanna try yourself?
Yeah. Alright, yo, so we about to go check the fruits in this supermarket right here, you heard? Let's see if we can find some seasoning to nice up the food and make it nice. Make it taste. I mean, that shit tastes good, but she be cooking that shit.
Can't tell us something to say. We do some roast fish, you know. We do some roast fish. I promise so we are going to give a neighbor one. And you want to know how to man in neighbor if you want to fish.
Don't even listen to that, man. That's cap. I told her to give the guy one of the fish, one of the what is that, parrot, one of the parrot fishes, and then she over there still went to her taste buds. The guy never even got to get not even a piece of spice on his tongue. He ain't get none of that because she over there just.
You know how to twist story, you know. That I know, you know how to twist story. What do you mean?
She said, I know how to twist story. Y'all know it's true. She said, I know how to twist story. Y'all already know what happened. Comment, hey, comment in the comment section if you know what happened. Alright? Keep it 100.
I hope that on the don't take no side, you know. I hope that not take no side and really resonate with the truth. So I like this. There's something about this. There was a time in my life where my sister in my mind introduced me to this vegetable soup mix. I use it.
Right. Yeah, this is the seasoning we use right here in Jamaica. See, the thing is though, we ain't gonna lie to y'all. We're gonna keep it 100 with y'all. There's a lot of things in here we don't like. You feel me? But our lives is very fucking it's super healthy, the shit that we eat. So we can make some space for the crap that's in here. But this is what we use, nonetheless.
I mean, wanna know how it go? Cock soup. Cock soup.
Hey, yo, for the weirdos that's out there, don't light up the comment section talking about no cock. Like, y'all weird.
See cocky,
yeah, when we talking about cock soup, talking about chickens. Don't come in that weird shit.
The male chicken, guys. Yeah, the rooster is the cock, and then the cock, put the cock in the end. Wrong with me. Alright, I need some coconut. Now, look here, I don't want Nana come judge me. Sometime I leave. Don't judge me.
Yeah.
Alright, so today I'm doing a pour egg promotion. If you purchase 2 pour eggs and 2 of the small Coca-Cola soda, you can win a trip for 2 at the Olympic in Paris. So you guys are interested in the promotion?
It would have been better you said the Olympics in Africa. I would have went. I have no interest in Paris, my friend. I'm sorry about that.
So you could win other stuff from my card, my trolley today. We have tumblers, we have caps, and we have travel size bags.
You know what? We not with many pairs, with power aid. I'm not go weird. I'm not look for weird. If it is plain, fine.
Okay.
Give thanks.
Alright, so guys, this is the salt right here. Try if you see if I can replace the white salt with the pink Himalayan salt. This is the salt that your body is able to process correctly, reducing high blood pressure and clotting.
Yeah, speak up a little bit for the music. But yeah, as you said, she said, this combats high blood pressure, blood clotting, because this salt won't scratch up your veins. and your arteries. So the repair proteins won't go there and clot it up, and you won't have high blood pressure. So get your Himalayan salt, get your Celtic salt. What you said to?
Them have clothes.
Oh.
And this is it now. You want this, guys. You want this. But me tell you why you want this. You want this, especially if you just deworm. And you want to make sure so you get rid of the baby little eggs them. You want this. May I tell you, you need it.
Yes, sir. Get them worm eggs out of there. It's the clothes.
And that's a good feel. It's just good for just do like draw it, and just do like a drinks jug full of this.
She ain't lying. She not lying.
So see what I really come for here. These are the spices. Totally run out. I tell you some run out.
Yeah. Cayenne. Cayenne.
Yes, cayenne.
Yes.
It's a fresh pepper seed. It's a paprika.
You find it?
No,
They have cayenne down there?
more look fine. I'm surprised I don't have this here. Oh, it's it, yeah.
Get two of them.
So this now, trust me, your tissue state is in like a very wet state, meaning that you're producing a whole heap of mucus. We can actually use this, guys, and make a cup of tea and neutralize the mucus in your body. So not just stuff it. So pepper is one of the things that we cook with all the time, just to reduce the excess mucus, especially when the mucus is formed because the body is healing from something. They want to give it extra push. You see, when it add the heat to your body, it's like it forces the lymph to move through the body. So we have the time. The time is not for me, so tomorrow. Onion powder because we can. I love my curry fish. I may plan to do some curry fish. Why not? We are porridge people, so we got the cinnamon. We're telling about the cloves for the parasite eggs. Yeah. And then we have a little basil and our rosemary. We cook with this. Like when I see our pot, it's like a medicine food, but it tastes good.
Yeah, onion powder?
Yeah, man, I'm not sure.
Alright. Y'all heard that? And the sea salt.
Sea salt.
Y'all heard that bask of goodness that's going in our pots? Yeah, man, we like herbs. We like herbs. We like our food tastes good. We don't just use straight salt and pepper in our food. Nah.
No Jamaicans do that.
Ain't nobody black do that. Just straight up salt and pepper and call it a day. Nah, man.
One day we could look
Spice
for
up our
the.
food.
One day we could look for the vinegar.
Check to see if it's there, yeah.
Yeah.
And see if you got Italian patience bread.
You think you wanna take so far?
Well, see what type of bread they have here. Nah, this is the I'm not seeing nothing good. They don't have it.
Alright, probably don't have it soon. Alright. Ginger extract, we can have this. Whenever we drink it when I'm up there.
They put preserve. That's the only reason why. Preservative.
Yeah.
Or else I would have grabbed these one right now.
But me not like in a desperate situation, like when me there at Kingston and me have the ginger in a desperate situation, I eat my jar fire.
Okay.
Yeah. When it's a desperate time, call for
Desperate measures. They don't have it here then. Alright y'all, so one of the big things in Jamaica is business ownership. That's like one of the big topics in Jamaica right now. Business ownership. You heard? And a big issue going on right now is that the business owners aren't the Jamaican people. It's like it's discussed a lot here. The fact that it's not Jamaican people who own the grocery shops and the restaurant and a lot of the restaurants, but really the grocery stores and supermarkets. Yeah, it's like this is what you see in almost every supermarket. You see the Chinese people as the owners, and you see the Jamaicans as the employees, but they're the real bosses, right? So, and you know if y'all agree with it, but they're the ones that control what comes in the country, what comes out the country, what it's sold for. A lot of things that they get upset about is the fact they don't pay tax here. They don't pay no business tax. So that's the issue. That's something that's happening, you know?
So we're out. Them little tops or something they will buy, guys. Nearly $7. Little tops. Something, two little tops or something you see me take up a while ago.
Yeah. Nearly $7 grand.
Yeah, nearly $7 grand. Two little tops you see me I carry with my 2 fingers.
Yo guys, so as you can see, we're new to YouTube and we're trying to make it. So like, comment, and
Subscribe.
right, like, comment, and subscribe. Show some love and let's help this channel grow.
Woo!